Welcome back. I'm going to make a leather strop for sharpening. And I'm going to use a couple of things. Let me just get some more tools out. There's one. And there should be another one somewhere. So this is just for clamping. There's a clamp there. There might be another clamp in here. In fact, there's 3 clamps. That should be enough. Now, then the strop is just to really let me get rid of those edges. See, these edges are pretty. Just round them off. Don't want shitty sharpy edges, do we? No. So this is soft leather, so the idea is that you kind of fill it with abrasive. Something like this. Let me just get rid of this for you. Okay, so this wee thing was bought the other day, and it is sharp as hell, so I'm just literally using it to cut the leather. This is the molar, and it is literally sharp as fuck. Anyway. There we are. And we're going to use this side, because this side, I'm going to keep 2 sides open so I can hold it on either side when stropping. So, good old glue. Which I never use. Now this takes 2 hours to set under pressure, so I want to make sure I get it nice and level, which means I need to cut myself another piece of something. Just need something to level this out with. I want this to really stick evenly. Don't want any bumps in the leather. You can buy these things on Amazon. It's not necessary. Yeah, it's obviously necessary. I think I'll use this side. And before that goes sticky, clean it up. Okay. I mean, unless you've got massive knives, you don't really need more than that. Okay. These are really strong. Massively strong, actually. And it's pulling it sideways. Let's try that again. Keeps pulling it. That's odd. Maybe not the best stuff to use. That side didn't pull it, so that's a good thing. And then one here. And now we'll just leave it. Yeah. This is pulling a little bit. I don't know why this guy tries to be funny this side. Ah, there we go. Right, this can now just stay out of the way and dry. Thank you very much. So this is the finished product, very simple, wide enough. The only thing is I do lace it with this stuff here, which is amazing, and it's fairly cheap in online. It polishes, it cleans, all metal, fiberglass, ceramic, blah 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 blah. Yeah, so I used two pieces. This is fairly rough, but with the polishing agent inside of it, it makes a nice little surface. Now this knife, I sharpened it quite a while ago and I've been using it all the time. And it is obviously a kitchen knife, so it's not like some super metal that holds an edge for like ages. But it is still super sharp. And I've used this strop just to kind of bring the edge back. And there's I noticed that earlier. There's just a few little dings, and that's most likely because while washing dishes and it's, you know, in the sink with other knives and stuff like that. But this thing is ridiculously sharp. So much so that every time I tell somebody to use it, I bitch and moan them that they please watch themselves. See, that's just right in the edge there. There's those little, it just catches them. There's a little nicks. Once you get past that point, oops, it just cuts. So the strop works perfectly, and it literally, this piece of leather was taken from a old sofa. So there you go. Thank you very much.